to the gala. Never a dull moment, in fact, and all in a very good cause. Vice President Nixon, arriving at Washington, was accorded quite a hero's welcome after his tour of South America. His fellow countrymen said it with slogans at one of the biggest turnouts seen at the airport, and President Eisenhower himself was there to be the first to greet him. Cheering Americans lined the route as they drove off. Rather different slogans had greeted Mr. Nixon on his visit to Caracas, the Venezuelan capital, and rather a different welcome from a section of the people there. They stormed round his car, shouting and jeering and hurling abuse. They smashed the windows, and he and his wife were lucky not to be hurt. Well, that's a bit more than a hint. Anyway, the Nixons did go home, and here they are at the White House with their daughters and the President. An assault by